Are you tired of sifting through endless Google reviews to understand what your customers really think? Today, we're diving into how to pull Google reviews data, empowering you to analyze sentiment, spot trends, and unlock valuable insights for your business in just a few easy steps. First, understand that directly accessing Google reviews for bulk extraction requires either using the Google Places API or exploring web scraping techniques. Will focus on the general concepts, as the specific code depends on your chosen tool. Option 1 involves the Google Places API. You'll need to obtain an API key and understand the API documentation to make requests for review data. This method is structured and reliable, but might have usage limits or cost involved, so be sure to check Google's pricing. Alternatively, web scraping involves writing code to automatically extract data from the Google reviews page. This requires understanding HTML structure and handling potential changes to the website's layout. Tools like Beautiful Soup and Selenium in Python are commonly used for this. Once you've extracted the data, the next step is cleaning and structuring it. Organize the information into a spreadsheet with columns for review text, rating, date, and any other relevant information. Finally, it's time for analysis. Use tools like Google Sheets, Excel, or specialized data analysis software to perform sentiment analysis, identify recurring themes, and track customer satisfaction. Over time, this will help you see what is bringing in positive reviews and negative reviews. By harnessing the power of Google reviews data, you can make informed decisions, improve your services, and ultimately boost your business's success.